We're changing a bulb on 1994 Ford Ranger, 2.3 liter. It's a 3157K Sylvania bulb, and the light fixture, the rear light fixture, has 2 Phillips screw heads on the outer edge and 2 Phillips screw heads on the inner right here. This top lens is not on at night, so we're just going to unscrew it and see what happens. I already pre-unscrewed it. It was still tight from last change, and I suspect that I did not position the light in there all the way because the housing is broken, and there's the problem. Yep. It's an aftermarket fixture, so you got to line up this 2 small lips and 1 fat lip in this little opening, and make sure you twist it so it doesn't vibrate out. I have a feeling that's what happened when we hit a bump or something and broke the glass, so it's not twisting. And again, it's all plastic. Try twisting counterclockwise. Nope. Clockwise. Nope. Just going to vibrate right back out. There's not much twist. There it goes, and I just broke it, didn't I? Can you turn the light on? I think I just broke this plastic. Can you turn it on?
Okay.
It wouldn't twist, and I don't know if it broke the glass. Okay, the light works. Can you press the brake? Make sure I didn't damage anything else while I was rough with it. Did you press the brake? Yeah. Okay, so the 2 bottom bulbs is the backup lights, and yeah, it came on nice and bright. So it was 3157K, which most Ford. Line it up. Not use power tools. This plastic fixture is really, really raggedy, but it sure looks pretty. Tighten it just enough to line it up first. We can put the other 2 outer screws on this side and line them up into the screw holes. Even visually. You left the lights on. Okay. Thank you. Yeah, that way I wasn't roughing up putting the screws back on. And voila. Bulb change under 2 minutes. Thank you, wifey.
Thank you, wifey. I don't know